Hey guys, Kip and Christina Steinberg here, Superstar Directors for Scentsy Fragrance, the team Fresh Scents to Smell Air. It's time to do first sniffs for our March 2018 Scent and Warmer of the Month. Sorry, I have a cold. Sorry guys. Hopefully I can even smell this. Hi Jama. Hello Ashley, Caroline, Tammy. Okay, let's get the flyers out. If you are a consultant, I don't know if you know, but the Scent and Warmer of the Month kit is available to all consultants, and it is in your workstation under your account tab. The Warmer of the Month kit comes with 9 bars of the Scent of the Month, a room spray, a big tester, a mini tester, the flyers, and the rub and sniff stickers, and then the Warmer of the Month comes with all of that plus the warmer. Hey, Nathan Brown says hi, Kip.
Hey, Nate.
One awesome thing is this month the flyers are so much smaller, which is good because it's going to fit into envelopes better. I'm pretty excited about that. We can actually use a size 10 envelope. Yeah, pretty exciting. So this is the March 2018 Scent and Warmer of the Month. The warmer is called Hello Spring, and the fragrance is called Spring Forward. The fragrance says, if sunshine had a scent, it would be this. Burst of Italian bergamot, raspberry jam, and cedarwood. Ready?
Weird.
I know.
Weird mixture.
My cold's not helping. You're going to have to help us with the descriptions.
Uh-oh.
Apparently.
It's a complex
It's really,
bar.
yeah. There's a lot going on here.
So...
It smells very fresh and like very natural, like outdoors. And
it's earthy.
it is earthy.
It smells. It's got like elements of that tomato vine scent that we had before, like underlying everything. That's the first thing I noticed.
I'm curious to smell it warmed because I don't currently smell any raspberry.
I'm getting the bergamot too. So it's like that tomato vine with bergamot. And then there's like a flowery smell.
Yeah, it has to smell way different warmed, Ashley.
Yeah.
I smell a lot of the bergamot.
This is a tough one.
It's really good though. Like even just like this, I love the smell. But I'm definitely curious to smell it warmed because it doesn't really smell like it says, which usually means that the notes are to be warmed to bring them out. Yeah, if you rub it, you can smell the raspberries a little bit.
I was doing that, but I'm gonna pop it out and see if I can get anything else from it.
Yeah, my nails are the same color as the bar.
The bar is a little bit misleading. The pink color.
It doesn't smell pink.
It doesn't smell like frou-frou-y or candy, or doesn't smell like a straight up rose or anything like that.
Yeah, it's really yummy though.
Okay, so
it smells really earthy.
It does smell different from the base of it. The earthy tomato viney smell, and you got the bergamot smell definitely is coming through.
I kind of smell a little bit of like when spring first starts and you go out there and you start raking the ground and like turning the dirt over and it's like fresh out and
it's a little bit
there's buds on the trees.
Damp.
It's a little wet. Kind of woody and earthy.
Yeah, woody. Well, I guess it has sandalwood in it, but
It was really good though. Cedarwood.
That's coming, or cedarwood. That's coming through a little bit too.
It's not too floral. I mean, if some people who hate florals will probably not like it because it's got that earthy tone, and I think that some people put them together. I really like it though, but we like our earthier. It does remind, yeah. It was good. All right, the warmer is gonna be a little difficult to show because it's the lampshade. It's not a man scent. Nope.
No.
I wouldn't call it masculine at all. Isn't that confusing? It's not masculine.
No.
So, let me open the warmer. I don't know if I'm going to do much with this because it is a lampshade warmer and I don't want to get all the pieces out. But if any of you guys know what our lampshade warmers look like, they kind of look like that one in the back. They have a base and they have the glass on top and a dish and things like that. I'm just going to show you guys just the actual the glass part. Someday. It's stuck in here. There we go. Ooh, this is very pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty. I didn't know I had that.
Do you have your cell phone?
Yeah.
Because we can light it up underneath if you want to.
Light it
This
up.
is really pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. So it says Hello Spring. Look how pretty that is. I love florals. But look, like if you really love just the flower side, you could just do the flower side. If you love Hello Spring, very pretty. That's really pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. And then lit up. Let's see if we can kind of...
Let's make it lit.
Lit up, except it'll have a little more of a yellow cast to it. We are such cheaters. We're like, let's use our cell phone light. Just because I'm lazy. Yeah. This is really pretty, isn't it? How much is this warmer? I'm guessing it's a 45. Yep, it's normally a 45, so it'll be 40, 50 in February. So, but it'll have a base and it's got a dish that'll go on top of it. But it's really pretty. It matches the fragrance really well, like the coloring. Do you still have the bar?
The bar?
Yeah, just give me a bar. I like when things match. Look how pretty matchy that is. Super cute. I'm only picky about the words because I do lettering. And I kind of want to be like, hey, can I maybe hire me next time? Okay. Anyway, it's really cute though. It is really cute. But I love the flowers. You guys know I love floral and flowers. Cool. There it is. So we've got Hello Spring and Spring Forward. These are the 10% off scent warmer of the month for February or March. Oh, you're gonna put the light back in? It's so beautiful. Bye guys.